In this video, we'll continue from our previous video and talk about how to extend your US tourist visa due to the coronavirus. Hi, and welcome to our channel. I'm Mark Santamaria. I'm a US immigration lawyer and English teacher. We post weekly videos that discuss US immigration law. We also have English lessons for English learners. In our previous video, we talked about the basics of how to extend your tourist visa due to the coronavirus. In this video, we'll talk in more detail about how to extend your tourist visa. And to help you understand what you should do if your tourist visa is about to expire, let's start with this multiple choice question. Reina is from Mexico. She came to the US on a tourist visa on February 14, 2020. But her flight back home in April 2020 was canceled, and it's making it harder for her to travel back to Mexico. So she prefers to stay in the US a little longer. She's putting together her visa extension application. So which of the following should she include in her application? A. Form I-539, the Tourist Visa Extension Application Form. B. Travel restrictions. C. Ties to her country. Or D. All of the above. Put your answer in the comment section below. Watch to the end to get the answer and some bonus information. To help us understand this question and answer, we'll talk about three things. 1. Form I-539. 2. Travel restrictions. And 3. Ties to your country. You will use Form I-539, application to extend or change non-immigrant status, to request for an extension of your stay in the US as a tourist. And here's the tip. You'll need to input your I-94 record number, which can be found at the link in the description section below. If you can't find your record after entering all required information, try different combinations of your name. Immigration officers sometimes make mistakes when updating I-94 records. And about travel restrictions. If you had a return flight back to your country, but it was canceled, you should consider including this in your extension application. Also, if your country imposed travel restrictions due to coronavirus, you may want to include this information as well with news articles, embassy statements, and other sources. And here's a tip. Make sure you properly translate these articles, as USCIS requires full translations of documents in other languages. And as for the third point, ties to your country. A tourist visa is a short-term non-immigrant visa, so USCIS wants to make sure that you will not stay in the US after your authorized stay has ended. That is why you will need to submit evidence showing that you will go back to your country. Here are some examples of ties to your country: your work, your school, your family, and your property. And here's a tip. Make sure that you can provide proof of your ties to your country, for example, by showing your employment contract or upcoming school schedule. So Reina, based on what we've learned so far, what's the best answer to the question above? You're right, Reina. Okay, so now for your bonus information. Since you stayed till the end of this video, if you mention this video, we'll give you a free 30-minute phone consultation. And in the next video, we'll talk in more detail about another requirement to extend your tourist visa, and that is financial capability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and write a comment below. God bless!